in a jam and you need some cash flow, I would consider talking to Harold because he has deep pockets. So what does it mean to have deep pockets? It means you have a lot of money. You're really wealthy. So much money, in fact, that money is almost nothing to you. Because even the largest expense that everyday people would think is a burden or a hassle or too much, you're just kind of like, I mean, I can take care of that. I can pay that. It's not a big deal. When we think about people who have deep pockets, we think about billionaires, millionaires even. So money is no object to them. It doesn't matter how much something costs because they can afford it. Now, this expression is an arm and a leg. Huh? Body parts again? Right. So we're not talking literally about an arm and a leg. We're talking about how much something costs, how expensive something is. Now, commonly you'll hear someone say, I just got a new car. It cost an arm and a leg. That means it was really expensive, right? Whenever you hear someone say that something costs an arm and a leg, it means they paid a lot of money for it because the price was high. Now, you can also hear someone say, I paid an arm and a leg, which means the same thing. They paid a lot of money for something. Is that your new motorcycle? It looks so sleek. Thanks, I paid a small fortune for it, so it better look good. So this expression, a small fortune, what does it mean? Well, let's understand that it's referring to money. When you pay a small fortune for something, you're communicating to your listener that you paid a lot of money for it. So let's say you want to buy a camera and the camera costs $1,200. You have a wealthy friend who can buy 20 of those cameras, but you had to save up over 3 months to get the money to pay for that camera. So when you go to purchase that camera, it cost you or you paid a small fortune for it.